Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Wells Fargo app and clear screen time permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Wells Fargo app on your device. Press and hold the app icon until options appear. Select the uninstall or remove app option. Confirm your choice by tapping OK or remove when prompted. The app will now be uninstalled from your device. Next, navigate to your device's settings. Scroll down and find Screen Time or Privacy. Tap on Screen Time to enter the settings. Look for App Limits or Always Allowed options. Select App Limits first to review permissions. Find the Wells Fargo app in the list. To remove limits, swipe left or tap on the app. Select Delete to remove any set limits. Now, return to the main Screen Time menu. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Review the settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Finally, exit the settings by pressing the Home button or swiping up. The Wells Fargo app has been uninstalled and screen time permissions cleared. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.